Okay, hi, I'm David Casuto from San Francisco Computer Tutors. In this exercise, we're going to show you how to create a target link using Dreamweaver, how to link images, how to link words from one page to another. So stay tuned and I'll show you in just a second. What I want to do is I want to basically first highlight the text that I want to link to. And you notice here you're going to have your properties panel, if it's not open already. You're going to have a whole bunch of stuff up here, but you have something called link. Okay, and that link is basically asking you, okay, now where should I link this to? Okay, what is the website URL or website address for that? Now Dreamweaver gives you a nice feature that you don't have to type in http://www, all that different stuff when it's already in your site root. So all I have to do is type in about us.html and then hit enter. So then I see that now I have this blue and underlined. It's telling me that this is now linked. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing for services. Okay, services.html, and now that's linked. Okay, and then for contacts, I think I just call this contact.html, etc. Now you also notice that beneath here you have something called target. Okay, now this target is going to tell you basically, okay, where the user is going to go. And now look at that. I've got my page here, and then when I move my mouse over these, see, I've got little links here. Okay, so I'm going to click on About Us, and now it takes us to the About Us page. Okay, I'm going to see now what it did was, right, so I don't actually have the other ones linked yet, so I have to do that soon. And then I go to Services, and it takes me to the Services page. Okay, so let's come back to this, right, and you'll see here what the differences are when you go to Self versus Parent versus Home. We didn't actually set one up. Okay, so you see it's that easy, and you can also do the same thing, by the way, for an image. I can click on this image and I can make it linked. Okay, so I'm going to have this just be my home page. Okay, and then now that is set to be clickable, and then I'm going to hit my globe here, preview in Safari, and I'm going to save it, and then when I move my mouse over it, this is now clickable. Okay, well that concludes our exercise on how to create target links using Dreamweaver. Hope you enjoyed it. And once again, my name is David Casuto from San Francisco Computer Tutors, and you can look me up on yelp.com and just type in San Francisco Computer Tutors and you'll find me there. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.